So, we are doing triangular fuzzy number. Today, we will do approximation of TFN, that is triangular fuzzy number. We have seen this triangular fuzzy number addition and subtraction. Okay, you use direct formula or using alpha cut. Okay, it is very easy for addition and subtraction. You have also seen about the multiplication and division. Let us recollect that again using one example that we are doing. So, suppose we have two fuzzy numbers A bar as 1, 2, 4 and B bar as 2, 4, 6. So, these are two fuzzy numbers and I want to multiply A with B. So, if I want to write the membership function for this, I will have mu A bar x as 0 for x less than 1, then from 1 to 2 it will be x minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is x when it is between 1 and 2. Okay. Next, from 2 to 4 it is 4 minus x by 4 minus 2, and when it is 2 to 4 and 0 when it is x greater than 4. Okay. Similarly, if I want to write this B bar, so B bar I have mu B bar y, I am taking different variable, here x, here it is y, and this is your 0 when x less than 2, then y, because I have taken y, mu B bar y. So, this is y minus 2 by 4 minus 2 and y lying between 2 to 4, then from 4 to 6 it is 6 minus y by 6 minus 4, and when y is 4 to 6 and 0 when y greater than 6. Okay. These are the two membership functions for these fuzzy number, rather triangular fuzzy number A bar and B bar. Now, if I want to multiply A bar into B bar, I discussed then that you can use these membership values and you can generate your multiplication. Okay. So, suppose I plot this 1 to 4, suppose this is 1, 1, 2, 4. This is your x. So, this is your mu, this is 1. So, at 2 it is 1. I have the triangular fuzzy number A bar as this, and 2, 4, 6. Suppose this is 6 and at 4 it is 1. So, I have this as B bar. Okay. Now, if I use that formula of this membership function 1, so I have then what? So, suppose I want to have, suppose I want the element 8, 8 is there, 8 means multiplication of x and y, suppose it is 8. So, 8 I can write, here 2 is there, here 4 is there, so I can write 2 into 4. Here 4 is also there, 2 is there, so I can write this as 4 into 2. There may be other combinations also. So, suppose we have 2, so I can write this mu A bar into B bar at 8 is equal to, or 8 is equal to 4 into 2 or 2 into 4, and you have all those mu A bar 4 and mu B bar 2. So, all those and will be there, then mu A bar 2 and mu B bar 4, and then take OR. So, infinite possible are there, so it is difficult actually. So, suppose I did that all, so what you will get, see, suppose I want to multiply membership values y is also, so what will be the minimum value here? Why 0? Maybe 0, but actually if suppose this is a TFN, but it will not be TFN, I told yesterday. So, it actually I have 2 here because multiplication because 0, this is okay if you remove this suppose. So, I have 2, okay, and 1 maybe 1 and 2. So, I have 2 actually, and what will be the maximum? Maximum x value, maximum value of x, not x, I am telling actually this is z x into y, okay, sorry, z that is x into y, this is minimum value of x into y, that I am taking 2 suppose, and what will be the maximum? Z equal to x into y, 24. So, it will go up to 24. So, suppose this is 24. So, it will start when you will see that at 8 actually we will get the 1, okay, if you do that all the computations. So, your plot will be like this, and here actually you will not have the you will see, means if I am not doing that, okay. So, if you take all the combination, it will not be a this portion will not be a fuzzy means straight line, it will be curved, so that it will not be a convex, okay. So, it actually 24 will be here, so it will be actually like this, okay. So, it will be up to 24, so it will not be a fuzzy number, okay, a into b, a bar into b bar.
Why it will be
1 at no, y means you have to check, I know I have computed, so that is why I know. At 8 you see here, you compute that, you will get mu a bar 4. What is that? Mu a bar 4, tell me. What is mu a bar 4? From a 0. Then mu b bar 2 is what? 0. Then mu a bar 2 1. Mu b bar 4 1. So, you are getting 1, at least 1. If you take the maximum, what you will get? 1. Okay? So, that means at 8 it will be 1.
Only at 8.
Only at 8. So, that you can check, means different combinations you can check that at if suppose it is not.
Can it theoretically assume that it will be only 1?
No, theoretically how can you prove? Means you have to take all the combinations, okay. And if it is more than one, suppose at different x you have more, means 1, suppose at 8 1, at 9 1, then you will get fuzzy number, but is not TFN, okay. That is different fuzzy number, that I will do in the next, okay. So, here if you get 8 at a 1, so you will see that a into b actually will not be a fuzzy number due to this side, okay. So, that is why we approximate this TFN using alpha cut, okay. So, let us do that approximation for multiplication. Here I have to write first A alpha. What was your A alpha? A bar alpha? 2 minus 1, okay, alpha plus 1, left hand. Right hand will be 4 minus 2 with minus 2 alpha plus 4. This is your A alpha bar. Then B alpha 4 minus 2, 2 alpha plus 2, and this will be 6 minus 4 minus 2 alpha, okay. Then I will write A alpha into B alpha, and tell me what I can write. A alpha, A bar alpha into B bar alpha. What will be that? You know depends upon the value of alpha. You know alpha belongs to 0, 1, that you know. Alpha is alpha cut.
Alpha plus 1 into 2 alpha plus 2
Then
minus 2 alpha plus 0.
why? Means other, what about others? Because multiplication we have different rule. Remember, AB into CD, what is the multiplication rule? This is interval, na? A, B, C, D. How will you write here? Minimum of AC, AD, BC, BD and maximum of all those values. Whether same rule I can apply here or something other, or something easier thing I can do here.
Easier.
Hmm.
We know what is minimum and what is maximum.
Tell me
Alpha plus 1 into 2 alpha plus 2.
why?
So we
Alpha is greater than
value
0.
of alpha, we cannot distinguish this one is greater, this one is less.
Alpha
Why?
is between 0
Suppose
and
alpha square plus 1 and 6 minus alpha square.
Hmm.
We do not know.
Hmm.
It's not going to alpha.
we know alpha plus 1 is positive.
Is correct. Yes, because alpha belongs to 0, 1, minimum value of alpha is 0, maximum value of alpha is 1. That is okay. Now you put 0 or 1, always these numbers are positive, and I have done for R plus, the formula I have written R plus, this into this and this into this, that I have written. That is why I wrote one for R, one for R plus, because you know alpha belongs to 0, 1, so it is, these are all positive. You put any values of alpha here, you will get positive value or not. So I can multiply this very easily. I do not have to do all these combinations, taking minimum and maximum. Is it okay? Alpha plus 1 into 2 alpha plus 2, left side, left hand, and right hand is minus 2 alpha plus 4 and minus 2 alpha plus 6. Is it okay? Because alpha belongs to 0, 1, so it will be all positive for any value of alpha. So that is why we can write this. So now it is simple as we did earlier. For 1, alpha equal to 1 and alpha equal to 0. So we will get A bar 1 into B bar 1. What we will get? For 1, it is 1 plus 1, 2 and 4. So it will be what? 8. Similarly, if you put alpha equal to 1 here, you will again get 8. Okay? And A bar 0, for alpha equal to 0, what you will get? If I put 0 here, so you will get 2 and hither 24, 8. Okay? Okay? So I have then approximated, I cannot write equal to, because there are many things that is there, but we are not considering, because actually you will get membership using membership. So I have this approximated A dot A into B or A bar into B bar as 2, 8, 24. Fine? Similarly, I can do for division. So approximation for division. So here again A alpha, B alpha are same. So I can write A alpha by B alpha. Again you see, because alpha belongs to 0 1, all are positive, so that R plus rule is there. You have R plus rule. What was that? If you have AB by CD or divide CD, so what you will have? If it is in R plus. If it is in R, I do not know about the sign, then you have to take all the combinations. But here it is beneficial that alpha belongs to 0 1, all are positive. So, what will be that then here? Alpha plus 1 divided by 6 minus 2 alpha, or okay, 6 minus 2 alpha, and right side 4 minus 2 alpha by 2 alpha plus, is it okay? This by this, this by this, is it okay? Now again I can write A bar 0 divided B bar 0. So, what we will get? 1 by 6, 1 by 6, and this side, right side 2, and A1 divide B1, what we will get? 2 by 0.5, I think, 0.5 or half. So, 0.5, this is also 0.5, 4 minus 2,
4 by 4.
okay? Yes. So, I have then A bar by B bar as approximately equal to 1 by 6, 0.52. Fine. So, for TFN you can do then addition, subtraction and approximated multiplication, division, etc. using your alpha cut. Now, we have, there are actually various types of fuzzy number. Next important fuzzy number is trapezoidal fuzzy number. You are seeing that it is triangular, now we have trapezoidal fuzzy number. I hope you know what is trapezoidal. You know what is trapezoidal? Yes? So, here this fuzzy number is put like this, A bar, there it was 3 components, here we have 4 components. And if I want to draw here x mu, so I have suppose this side A1, A2, A3, A4, these are in the x axis, and remember here from A2 to A3 membership value is 1. Okay? So, if this is 0, this is 1, so I have this as 1 and this is your A1, this is your A4. Fine? That means from A2 to A3 you have mu values as 1, and so if A2 equal to A3, then trapezoidal fuzzy number will convert to triangular fuzzy number. Okay? So, I can use those, that is why. Okay? So, in the membership function I can write here as mu A bar x as 0 when x less than A1, same from A1 to A2 it will be x minus A1 by A2 minus A1 when x is your between A1 and A2, and when x is from A2 to A3 this is 1, I have already told this is 1. So, 1, this is extra actually. Okay? From A3 to A4 that is A4 minus x by A4 minus A3, and this is A3 to right, and 0 when x greater than A4. Same triangular fuzzy number. So, in the same way I can write this fuzzy number in terms of interval as we did for TFN. Okay? So, let us write that, and how we wrote that? If you remember, we took this x minus A1 by A2 minus A1 as alpha, and this also A4 minus x by A4 minus A3 is equal to alpha. So, I can write from here x as A2 minus A1 alpha plus A1, okay, as we did in TFN, and from here x as minus A4 minus A3 alpha plus A4. So, this is your left, this is your right, only change with respect to TFN. What is the change? This A4, there it was A3, there it was A3, remember it is last one A4, A4 minus A3, and when A2 and A3 are same, then it is TFN same, here it will come. Okay, so, it is very easy then. So, I can write this in terms of interval A alpha or A bar alpha as A2 minus A1 alpha plus A1, this is left, and right as minus A4 minus A3 alpha plus A4. And you can check, if I put alpha is equal to 0, okay, if I put alpha is equal to 0, you will get the interval A1 A4, okay, and if you put alpha is equal to 1, what you will get? A2 A3, and remember for that A2 and A3, for those A2 and A3 you have the membership value as 1, and A2 A3, A2 equal to A3, it is 1, means it is TFN, fine. So, in this way we can do. Now, same about the operations. Next is the operation. So, operations, again here it is same, that addition and subtraction we can have the formula directly term by term, addition and subtraction. That also we can do by membership values, that we membership function that we discussed, but for multiplication and division again that is a problem. That is a problem with that membership values. You can develop using program or whatever, but again approximated multiplication, division, inverse, etc. we can do using alpha cut, okay, and maximum minimum also using alpha cut. Similar to your TFN, here also if you have A bar and B bar 2 TRFN or triangular, sometimes I write this as TRFN. Their TFN triangular fuzzy number, TRFN means trapezoidal fuzzy number. So, if we have two trapezoidal fuzzy number A bar and B bar, and if I add or subtract, it will be a TRFN, but in multiplication and division it may not. Okay. Similarly, for maximum and minimum also, two fuzzy number may not give your TRFN. Okay. So, first one is addition and subtraction of two TRFNs give a TRFN. Addition or subtraction of two TRFNs give a TRFN. Second is multiplication or division may not give a TRFN. And third one is max or mean also may not give a TRFN. Fine? Now come to the operations. Operations of TRFN. So, if I have two TRFNs, A bar as A1, A2, A3, A4 and B bar as B1, B2, B3 and B4, then addition is very simple. Addition, that means A bar plus B bar is given by what? A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2, A3 plus B3 and A4 plus, right. Now, what about the subtraction? A1 minus B4, then no, A2 minus B3, okay, A2 minus B3 and A3 minus B2 and lastly A4 minus B1. These are the rules for addition and subtraction, no problem for addition and subtraction. Okay. Now, multiplication and division, again we have approximated rule. Okay. So, using your alpha cut. So, multiplication, and let us do by an example is better. Suppose I have A bar as 1, 5, 6, 9 and B bar as 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay. I want to multiply these two for TRFNs, triangular fuzzy numbers, A bar and B bar. So, I can write this first A alpha bar. What will be that? 4 alpha plus 1, okay. Then minus 3 alpha plus 9, okay. B alpha bar, it will be alpha plus 2 and this side it will be minus plus 8. Fine. Now, let us multiply again. If you put alpha equal to alpha belongs to 0 1, so again those are all positive. So, I have the simplicity. So, I can write A alpha bar, B alpha bar and I can write this as 4 alpha plus 1 into alpha plus 2 and this side minus 3 alpha plus 9 and minus 3 alpha plus 8, right. So, I have then A bar 0 into B bar 0. So, what we will get? 2 and 72, very simple. And I have A bar 1 into B bar 1. What we will get? 15, okay, left side, right side 40, sure 30. Okay. So, I have the approximated value of this multiplication of two TRFNs as A bar dot B bar approximated is equal to 2, 15, 30, 72. So, from 15 to 30 it is 1 membership values and this is left end, this is right end. Similarly, I can have the division also. So, okay. Again, because those are alpha belongs to 0 1, so I can use the simplification R plus. So, I have A alpha bar B alpha bar as 4 alpha plus 1 by minus 3 alpha plus 8 and minus 3 alpha plus 9 by alpha plus 2. Is it okay? So, I can have then a bar 1 divide b bar 1 etc. and a bar 0 b bar 0. So, what will be that? A bar 0 by b bar 0? 1 by 8, 9 by 2. And what is this one? 1. And right side 2. So, accordingly, I have the approximated a bar by b bar as 1, 1 by 8 is okay, 9 by 2. First is yes, sorry, yes, because this is minimum. 1 by 8, then 1, then 2, then 9 by 2. From 1 by 2, membership value is 1. So, like that you can have the, this is not equal, this is approximated. Okay. So, we have read till now two types of fuzzy numbers, triangular fuzzy number and trapezoidal fuzzy number. We have other types of fuzzy number too. I will not go into those detail, only I will name those. One is flat fuzzy number, and which is the generalization of this TRFN, flat fuzzy number. Flat fuzzy number. Here this is the generalization of triangular fuzzy number. So, here actually there exist two real numbers m1 and m2 such that m1 should be less than m2. Okay. Then we have this mu a bar x is equal to 1 for m1 less than x less than equal to m2. So, if I plot this, you will get, suppose this is your m1, this is your m2, mu a bar x, and this is your mu 0 to 1. Okay. So, from m1 to m2 it is 1, only it is saying that. Okay. So, m1 to m2 this is 1, but here the change is that if it is trapezoidal, so it will go like this, but here it may be little bit curve or like this. Okay. Then it is called flat fuzzy number. Okay. It can touch here. So, then it is called flat fuzzy number, and it depends upon m1 m2 whatever it is given, but remember these two are not, but this should be a fuzzy number, convex should be there. Okay. Otherwise it will not be fuzzy number. Okay. But it is not a straight line actually. If it is straight line, it will get the trapezoidal fuzzy number. Okay. Next one is bell shaped fuzzy number. Have you seen bell shaped? No, you have seen. Bell fuzzy number. You have not seen bell. No, in temples and all anywhere means you have seen bell. So, bell fuzzy number, and that is what actually mathematically in 2D. That is what? More or less it is a normal distribution. Or not? So, that is why this fuzzy number is given by that formula only. Okay? So, here that function I write mu f x is e to the power x minus mu, do not use mu because mu is there. So, nu f whole square by 2 sigma square, where again this nu f, and this is called sometimes Gaussian fuzzy number also is there, actually depends upon nu and sigma, where this nu f is your what? Mean, and sigma f is standard deviation. and if I plot this, so it will be like this. Okay. So, this is called bell shaped fuzzy number, earlier one flat fuzzy number. There are other fuzzy numbers. So, in your course only these fuzzy numbers are there. So, next class we will do something